सो हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी का इस वीडियो में। इस वीडियो के थ्रू हम लोग जनवरी मंथ के टॉप 100 करंट अफेयर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर वीडियो। हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द 11th चेयरमैन ऑफ इसरो। आपको आंसर करने के लिए केवल 4 सेकंड का टाइम मिलेगा और आपको आंसर करना है। ऑप्शन नंबर सी, वी नारायणन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द रैंक ऑफ इंडिया इन ग्लोबल फायर पावर इंडेक्स 2025? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी, फोर्थ रैंक। पीडीएफ के लिए आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में टेलीग्राम का लिंक मिल जाएगा, आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो फॉर पीडीएफ एंड मिनी अपडेट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, शिकारा देवी सेंचुरी रिसेंटली न्यूज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया? हिमाचल प्रदेश। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट फीमेल बैटर टू स्कोर द फास्टेस्ट सेंचुरी इन ओडीआई फॉर इंडिया? स्मृति मंदाना। और बॉल 70 बॉल। Next question, who won the men's single title at Australian Open 2025? Option number B, Jannik Sinner. Next question, which country has become the ninth partner of BRICS? Nigeria. Next question, which team won the title of Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024-25? Karnataka. Prabhavo Subianto is the chief guest of Republic Day 2025. He was the president of. So he was the president of Indonesia. Next question, which are the first two cities to be recognized as wetland cities? Indore and Udaipur. Which state won the Tableau Award for the Republic Day Parade 2025? Uttar Pradesh. Next question, which country has recently successfully launched Pakistan's first indigenous electro-optical EO1 satellite PRSC EO1? यहाँ पे प्लस का साइन नहीं होना चाहिए, स्लैश है, ओके। China. On 18 January 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi distributed 65 lakh property cards under the Swamitva scheme. This scheme related to which ministry? Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Next question, which team won the title of Kho World Cup 2025? India. Next question, how many sports personalities have been awarded with the Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award 2024? 4 personalities. Next question, the Fiscal Health Policy 2025 was launched by whom? This was launched by Niti Aayog. Next question, which film won the Best Picture Drama Award at the Golden Globes 2025? The Brutalist. Who has been named ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Smriti Mandana, option D. Next question, who has been named ICC Men's ODI Cricketer of the Year 2024? वुमेंस ओडीआई भी यहाँ पे इंक्लूड होना चाहिए, वुमेंस ओडीआई क्रिकेटर ऑफ द ईयर 2024 स्मृति मंदाना, ओके, ओडीआई इंक्लूडेड है। हु हैज बीन नेम्ड आईसीसी मेंस ओडीआई क्रिकेटर ऑफ द ईयर 2024? Azmatullah Omarzai from Afghanistan. Next question, when is Indian Army Day celebrated every year? 15th January. Next question, which organization introduced the Himkavach multi-layer clothing system? Right answer, DRDO. DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization. Next question. Which country tops in the list of Global Firepower Index 2025? These are the top three states: United States, China, and Russia. First, second, third, and fourth, India. Okay. Next question. What is the name of India's first electric air taxi? Shunya. Which state government has recently constituted a 16-member AI policy task force to develop AI policy in 2025? Right answer, Maharashtra. Next question. With which country did the Odisha government sign MOU to set up a global competency center in Bhubaneswar? Singapore. Who has recently published the book Dalai Lama's Secret of Happiness? Right answer, Dinesh Shara. Next question. Rajgopala Chidambaram passed away recently at the age of 88. He was associated with which field? He was associated with nuclear science. Next question. Which famous Indian hockey player received the Padma Bhushan Award on 76th Republic Day? PR Srijesh. Next question. Recently news Amrabad Tiger Reserve located in which state of India? Right answer, Telangana. Next question. Which team won the inaugural Women's Hockey India League title? Odisha Warriors. Who won the women's single title at the Australian Open 2025? Madison Keys. Which country has developed the world's most powerful hydrogen train engine? This was developed by India. Which team won the title of 78 2024-25 Santosh Trophy? West Bengal. Annu Rani recently news related to which of the following sports? Javelin throw. Swapnil Kochale recently news related to which of the following sports? Shooting. Aman Sherawat recently news related to which of the following sports? Wrestling. Who has become the first country in Southeast Asia to legalize same-sex marriage? बताइए. First country in the Southeast Asia to legalize same-sex marriage. This country was Thailand. Next question. Which state has recently unveiled the country's first yoga policy? Uttarakhand. Which country has recently banned the short video sharing platform TikTok? USA. Who took oath as the 47th President of the United States of America? Donald Trump. Which state has topped the Fiscal Health Index 2025 ranking launched by Niti Aayog? Odisha. Recently, Flamingo Festival 2025 celebrated in which state of India? Andhra Pradesh. Who is the author of the recently released book The World After Gaza, A History? Pankaj Mishra. Alok Aradhe recently became the Chief Justice of which High Court? Bombay High Court. who has been reappointed as Ireland's Prime Minister for the second time in January 2025. Michael Martin. Which organization recently received the Subhash Chandra Bose Apada Prabandhan Purushkar for 2025? Infosys. Next question. Which actor has been appointed as the first brand ambassador of FICCI Fames? Ayushman Khurrana. Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary recently in news located in which state of India? Uttar Pradesh. Who among the following has been appointed as the Speaker of 18th Lok Sabha? Om Birla. India's first biosphere reserve has been established in which state? Uttarakhand. Rajaji Rajghati Biosphere is recently in news located in which state of India? Uttarakhand. Where is Iran planning to relocate its capital from Tehran? Makran. Recently in news, Holongpa Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary located in which state? Assam. What is the rank of India in global coffee production? So in India, Karnataka is the top producer of coffee. Okay, first state. नेक्स्ट और ये इसका आंसर हो जाएगा इंडिया सेवंथ लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ वर्ल्ड इन कॉफ़ी. ओके, चलिए अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. सेवंथ, टॉप पे ब्राज़ील. हु हैज़ रिसेंटली बिन अपॉइंटेड एज द ब्रांड एम्बेसडर फॉर तंबाकू कंट्रोल? पीवी सिंधु. In which of the following countries was the Pashmina festival organized? Right answer, Nepal. Recently, NVS-02 satellite was launched by ISRO. Which mission of ISRO was this? So, this was ISRO's 100th mission. Next question. The 38th National Game was held recently in which state of India? In the state of Uttarakhand. Which team has won the title of the recently held Women's Asia Cup 2024? Sri Lanka. Asia's first low carbon zinc was launched in which of the following countries? India. Manu Bhaker, who won the first medal for India in Paris Olympics 2024, she related to which sport? She related to shooting. Indore and which other city have become first to be included in the list of wetland cities? Indore city is in Madhya Pradesh and another city is Udaipur. This is in Rajasthan. Okay. So, next question. Which of these Indian states celebrates its foundation day on 25th January 2025? Himachal Pradesh. Which brand has ranked first in the Brand Finance Global 500 report? Apple. Which of the following days in January celebrated as Parakram Divas? Twenty-third January. Who has recently taken oath as the new Chief Justice of Delhi High Court? Justice Devendra Kumar. Devendra. DEVENDRA. Recently, China unveiled the world's longest tunnel, Tianshan Shengli Tunnel, whose length is 22.13 kilometer. Okay. Next question. Rajsamand Lake recently news located in which state of India? Rajsamand Lake, Rajasthan. India has aimed to register how many GI products by 2030? 10,000 GI products. Who recently inaugurated the indigenously developed automated battlefield surveillance system Sanjay? ये क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा डाउट है तो इसको स्किप करते हैं, चलिए 70 वाला देख लेते हैं. Which Foundation Day of Indian Meteorological Department was celebrated on 14th January? Right answer 150th. Next question. Which of the following will launch the Lexi mission to study the Earth's magnetic field from the moon? NASA. Which among the following was honored with the Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Aparna Sen. Where was the Future Minerals Forum 2025 inaugurated? Riyadh. On which of the following days the National Startup Day celebrated? 16th January. Who has won the recently held Junior National Kabaddi Men's Team title? Haryana. According to the recently released index, which has become the most crowded city in India? Kolkata. Who has become the first Indian woman player to score the fastest 4,000 runs in ODI? Smriti Mandana. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025? New Delhi. Which valley in Jammu and Kashmir celebrated its first ever winter festival? Sarthal Valley. What is the name of the disaster risk management system launched by Kerala CM Pinari Vijayan? Kavacham. What is the name of the initiative launched by Adani Group in collaboration with the ISKCON at Mahakumbh Prayagraj 2025? Mahaprasad Seva. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Central Reserve Police Force CRPF in January 2025? Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Which country won the both men's and women's trophies in inaugural Kho World Cup 2025? India. What is India's global rank in terms of the largest startup ecosystem as of January 2025? 3. In which of the following cities Indian Railways organized a campaign called Paint My City? Prayagraj. The Odisha government has introduced the monthly pension of Rupee 20,000 for individual imprisoned during which event? During the emergency 1975 to 77. In which district was the Parshuram Kund Mela 2025 inaugurated by Arunachal Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister? In the Arunachal Pradesh capital, Itanagar. Who launched the mission Mosam during the IMD's 150th Foundation Day? IMD's International Meteorological Department recently celebrate 150th Foundation Day. Right answer, Narendra Modi. India signed the Hajj agreement in 2025 with which country? Saudi Arabia. Which United States state had designated October as Hindu Heritage Month? Ohio. Mount Ibu recently erupted in which country? Mount Ibu recently erupted in Indonesia. Which company has launched the SIP Air app for the first line of asthma's screening in India? Cipla. What is the rank of India in terms of the largest metro network in the world? Right answer, third. Next question. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of the Food Corporation of India? Ashutosh Agnihotri. In which city did Blinkit begin testing its 10-minute ambulance service? Gurgaon. What was GST collection in India for December 2024? 1.77 lakh crore. Who is the author of the book Parliament Powers, Functions and Privileges? Right answer, K.S. Chauhan. Which city has become Indian Railway 69 division? Jammu. And the last question, who launched Panchayat Se Parliament 2.0 initiative? National Commission for Women, option C. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.